Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to embed Canva in a WordPress website. So let's dive right in. Open Canva and create your design. This could be anything from a social media graphic to a blog post banner. Once you're happy with your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then, scroll down and look for the Embed option. Click on Embed to reveal the magic code. Canva provides two options, a basic embed code and an iframe code. For most WordPress setups, the basic embed code will work just fine. Highlight the entire embed code and copy it to your clipboard. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want to embed your Canva design. In the Gutenberg editor, click the plus symbol and search for Custom HTML. Drag and drop the custom HTML block into your desired location on the page. Paste the copied embed code into the block. Click the Publish button to make your post or page live. Then, open your website in a new tab to see your embedded Canva design in action. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.